Fitri Rahmawati, Major for Ilmu Al-Quran and Tafsir, Faculty of Usuluddin, State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Qasim Riau. The Jakarta Post has published a news on Monday, December 14, 2020, about Farma working on system for pre-ordering vaccines. State-owned pharmaceutical holding company PT Farma has responded to the social media ads on pre-order COVID-19 vaccines, saying that they were still developing the scans for the service. Farma spokesperson Bambang Herianto said, up until now, the government has yet to release a technical regulation regarding. Bambang added that the government was still working on the COVID-19 vaccination scans for both the government's program and independently purchased vaccination. Therefore, Farma had yet to offer a pre-order service for independently purchased vaccination for both healthcare facilities and individuals. With regard to COVID-19 vaccination in hospitals, clinics, and other facilities, Farma is still working on the registration and verification process for independently purchased vaccine through official association. Farma is currently waiting for a clinical trial report from Pajajaran University's Medical School Research Team in Bandung, West Java. The company plans to submit the report to the Food and Drug Monitoring Agency (BPOM) in mid-January 2021 as the basis for the BPOM to issue the Emergency Use Authorization (EUA). However, it remains unclear when the government will roll out the vaccine for public use, as the government is still waiting for emergency approval from the BPOM, while also ramping up the infrastructure required. Prior to vaccine's arrival, the BPOM had said it would not authorize emergency use of a Sinovac candidate vaccine in December because a lack of data on its effectiveness. The agency also rebuked the government for starting a target to get emergency approval this month. BPOM head Pedi Kusumastuti Lukito estimated the approval could come in the third or fourth week of January 2021. Farma said that while it was waiting for the EUA, it was developing the digital infrastructure to support both the government's vaccination program and independently purchased vaccination. Farma Digital Healthcare Director Soleh Udin Al-Ayubi explained last week that the infrastructure would comprise four paths, namely tracking and tracing technology, distribution, a pre-order facility, and vaccination report. Soleh mentioned that the digital infrastructure would have various benefits for consumers, which included a pre-order service for independently purchased vaccination. The pre-order facility would also prevent vaccine hoarding, as it provided Farma with vaccine requests in each area. A total of 1.2 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines produced by China's Sinovac Biotech are now stored in a warehouse of Farma in Bandung, West Java, after being flown into Soekarno-Hatta International Airport on December. Farma President Director Hanesti Basir said that 3 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine had been allocated for medical workers, in line with recommendation and research conducted by the Indonesian Technical Advisory Group on Immunization, or ITAGI. Hannes explained that the first phase of the vaccination program would be focused on high-risk medical workers in 7 provinces in Java and Bali, followed by medical workers with comorbidities in other provinces. Thank you for watching my news, and bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.